how to reduce the video size with no quality loss. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new amazing episode of today, which is how to reduce the size of the video but with any quality loss. It is so good, isn't it? I'm going to take one video as an example, as I can show you here. I'm going to take this video as an example. I'm gonna go ahead and click on properties. You can see the video size is now 400 megabytes, and you can see the details, and you will see the video size as you can see the length here for the full HD version. And I will take this numbering system or this size of the video, and then I will show you after reduction, and we will compare the size together, and we will see now the difference. And I guarantee you that this will work 100%. I give you the insurance. Some softwares like Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro produce really heavy video and can take forever to upload and occupy a big size on disk, which is pain as well. In this video, that pain is gone forever. Okay, first of all, you have to download the free software called HandBrake, and it is completely free and you don't have to pay for anything. And we can now go ahead and open our browser like here. I'm using Chrome, and you can type like HandBrake like this one, then press enter, and we choose the first link that will appear here, and you can see now this icon like a pineapple and a glass of juice. I don't know what it means, but you have to know that this icon is for the HandBrake. And go ahead and press like here, and then it shows a download button, and then you can see to work with 64 bits only, and you can check for other platform, and it's free as I have told you. And you can go ahead and click download like this one, and download will take like the first size 12 megabytes. It's not heavy, and you can press on download like here, and then you can wait for a short time of minutes. It can depend on your internet. Mine is going like I don't know what can I call this one, but it's trying to download as fast as it can. And then you can now minimize this one. You can go on my download, and then you can double click to install. And the installation is pretty simple. Every geek can perform it. And then okay, it's now pre-installed on my computer. We have to remove it first, and then we can perform a new installation together, and you can see how it is done. And after setup is opening like this one, you can press on next, and then press next, and again next, install, and it takes like 0 minutes to finish. And we will continue with our processes as I promised you. And you're gonna go ahead and press on finish, and then got this one, and then we are going to perform our conversion, which is now quality lossless. That's kind of how I can call. Okay, let's go ahead and double click on HandBrake like this one. To take it's opening like here. Okay. And it's opening like here, and then after it asks us to drop a file or a folder here, and I can go ahead and choose my file. It's here, it's called programming, and can go ahead, as you can see, it's 1 minute 44 seconds, and now it is 460 megabytes, which is now somehow frustrating. And you're going to compress it with no quality loss. Then drag on here, and then it will come like this one. And the first thing you have to do is now to make sure that the format is on MP4, and then we'll move to this tab, and you go to the tab which is called video. Here there are some other presets which you can use according to the device you are on. If you're going to use it on the web, if you're going to use it on production, you can choose whatever you want. I will make a video explaining too much about this for software, but today we're going to perform a conversion which is now doesn't change the quality of our video. And you can see now there is a knob here where you can toggle, and you can increase or decrease. And as you can see, there is what you call placebo quality and low quality. And in this case, you see now there is also a frame rate. You can leave you can leave it as it is, or you can change it if you want to. In this case, I can leave it as it is, and then we will push button like 28. That's the quality I have seen. I've done pretty experiment and I found this one is working very fine. And you can now on bottom here you can see where to browse the path where you will now save your video, and I'm gonna click on browse, and in this case I can choose like on the desktop and dynamic video converted or video. Okay, scrap is gone. Then go ahead and you can call it and choose desktop. You can call it video compressed like this one. Then press save, and then you can start to encode. Then press this green, and then you see now it's encoding like here, and it can take some time. And I will pause the video, wait it to finish, and then you come after the encoding is done. Alright, and after the encoding is finished, you will see that the queue is now finished, and you are going to pray and check the site to see if the process went as planned. Okay, let's go ahead and you will see our video compressed, and you can check the video size, and you can see now after compression it's now unbelievable. It's now 5 megabytes. It's from 460 megabytes and it's now 5 megabytes, and the resolution you can see it's now still 1920 and 1080. So we are going to pray and to see if now the video quality is now as it is. So you go ahead and press this VRC media prayer. That's what I'm using these days. You can use the prayer you want to check if the compression gone as planned, and you can start by this video. You can pray it like this one, and I can see. Okay, that was my video, and as you can see the video quality is now full HD, and now you can now press this video compressed again and check if there is any difference. And as you can see now the video is still now in full HD, and you can see now the compression went as planned. So I hope guys you like this video, and if so, don't leave without leaving a thumbs up. And now if you're coming on this channel and you find it interesting and you are waiting for the future videos, you can click on the red button which is called subscribe. It's free, and now you will always be the first one to see my videos on the future times. So stay cool and be blessed.